With IdeaMax, you have the option to email a presentation directly from inside the app. Open the presentation file you wish to send. Click the Menu button on the toolbar. Select Send by Email from the options listed. A small window will pop up letting you choose how you want to send your presentation. You can choose to send the file as an HHT or IdeaMax file, as a PDF, or as a PowerPoint file. Let's choose PDF for now. Once you select a file type, IdeaMax will pull up a new message window in your default Mail app. In this case, it pulled up a window in Outlook. The presentation will automatically be attached. All that's left is to type in who you want to send the file to, your subject, and any message you want included before hitting Send.